to a Neverland pirate.
Oh.
Never say never, no, never to a Neverland pirate. When you're part of this crew, there's nothing that you can't do.
Oh, will you stop that blasted singing?
Never say never, no, never to a Neverland pirate. When we pull together, we can weather any weather through. Never say never, no, never. Never say never, no, never to a Neverland pirate. When you're part of this crew, there's nothing that you can't do.
Do you hear that, Mr. Smee?
Why, yes, Captain. It's Jake and his pirates. Catchy tune, isn't it? I mean, it's awfully loud, I must say.
It's awful, it's loud, and I never want to hear it again. Look at that, Mr. Smee. That singy thing is what's making their voices fill the air.
That's a microphone, sir.
One more time! Never say never, no, never.
Soon the singy thing shall... Oh, will you stop that?
Sorry, Captain. Just bump into the beat.
As I was saying, soon the singy thing shall be mine, and I'll never hear the puny pirates' music again.
Together we can... Captain Hook?
Oh, my.
Never say never, no, never to a Neverland pirate. When you're part of this crew, there's nothing that you can't do. Never say never, no, never to a Neverland pirate. When we pull together...
Come on and dance, sir. Let's rock and roll.
I'll do all the rocking and the rolling around here. Enough of these musical shenanigans. I'm putting an end to your nonsense right now. Never say never, no, never to a Neverland pirate. When you're part of this crew, there's nothing that you can't do. Never say never, no, never to a Neverland pirate. When we pull together, we can weather any weather through. Never say never, no, never! Never say never, no, never to a Neverland pirate. When you're part of this crew, there's nothing that you can't do.
Yo-ho, what a rockin' show!
Now, let's pirate rock! Woohoo!
Hey mate, come sail the Never Sea with Jake and me and the Neverland Pirate Band. When you got a crew full of pirates, true, so much better than any gold buried in the sand.
Gangway for me and my mates, 'cause nothing's gonna get in our way.